morning. I am Sajan V. Sebastian, presently working as the Joint Director of Education in the state of Sikkim. I am presently posted in the district headquarters of North Sikkim. I hail from Putrapalli, near Kargachal, Kottayam district in Kerala. I have served the education department for the past 31 years. I was born and brought up in Sikkim because my parents were teachers in government schools of Sikkim, and I had my primary education in Sikkim. During that time, Sikkim was a Himalayan kingdom ruled by the Namgyal dynasty, and the state was merged with the Indian Union in the year 1975. During that time, I was in class 3 and I had the opportunity to meet the then Honorable Prime Minister Indira Gandhi near our school. She came there to hold a meeting to conduct the referendum. And after that, I studied here till class 5, and my parents were adamant that I should learn Malayalam, and they took me to the home state of Kerala. At that time, the Sacred Hearts were the only English medium school in the nearby locality, and I got the opportunity to get admitted in that school. When I joined the SH English medium school, Reverend Father O.J. Varghese was our headmaster. I joined in class 6 and my class teacher was Mr. John Nainan. He used to teach mathematics, and I was very dull in mathematics. And I used to get thrashes every day from him. He taught me mathematics in class 9 also. Another teachers I remember are Mr. Thomas Illimutil, who taught Malayalam in class 7 and 8, and Mr. M.C. Kurian, who taught Malayalam in 9 and 10. They were also the best teachers, and I have got much inspiration from both of them. Another teacher who inspired me was Joseph Kandathil sir, who taught social studies to us. And he used to teach us without looking into the textbooks. And I also followed the same method during my teaching career. The two teachers who changed my life or made the two uninteresting subjects very interesting to me were Mr. P.A. Joss, who taught us physics, and Joseph Emmanuel sir, who taught us mathematics in class 10. It was because of him only I could score more than 60% marks in mathematics in class 10. I used to commute to school as a day scholar by the bus Madonna, which ran from Mallapalli to Changnassery. The usual friends which I had in that bus were Chakosi, Vijay Kayalat, Cherian Matthew, and G. Pratapan. We had a nice time in the bus. Even though the bus was very much packed, tight packed, we enjoyed the journey in the morning and the evening. I am very proud to be a member of the golden batch of the SH English Medium School because all of us secured more than 60% marks in the examination, along with the Raju Narayana Swami, who was the rank holder of that year. After completing my class 10, I joined pre-degree course in Sir Syed College, Taliparamba, and joined the second group, Physics, Chemistry, Biology group, and pursued the course for 2 years and also won with first class. After pre-degree, I again returned to Changnassery and joined for English Literature course in the St. Berkman's College, Changnassery. Mr. Deep N and George Philip, who were my classmates in SH, were also my classmates for the degree courses. During that period, I was fortunate to enact Macbeth in the Kavughat Hall. After the graduation, I joined for B.Ed in the North Bengal University, and I had completed B.Ed from Sikkim Government College, Tadong in Gangtok. Immediately after the completion, the government of Sikkim Education Department posted me as a graduate teacher of arts in a government school, and I was fortunate enough to get my appointment in the school from where I started my studies. It was a very emotional moment for me to get appointment in the same school, that is Government Junior High School, Lachung in North Sikkim, where I was admitted in class 1. And that period was very memorable for me, and I could sense the differences of about 14 years. So as a teacher, when I joined my profession for the first time, my father gave me the advice not to look at what others do or don't do, and be sincere in your duties and give 100% dedication in your work. And I tried to follow the thing, and that made me a successful teacher. I taught in two schools for about 12 and a half years. In the first year, I taught in Lachung Government Junior High School, and the next year the department sent me to a senior secondary school in nearby, which is Government Secondary School, Chungthang, as I had B.Ed. There I taught English and Social Studies for many years, and I was fortunate enough to appear for an examination for the post of secondary school headmaster, and I got through, and I was successful to get that post in the year 2004. From 2004 July, I held the post of secondary school headmaster and was posted to the remote tribal village in Upper Jangu, where the Lepcha communities are inhabited. I served there for 14 years. During my career as a headmaster, I was able to convert the results of the school to 100% from mere 40%. And when I was transferred to another school, the public of that place stopped me from going to another school. After 14 years of service as the secondary school headmaster, I was promoted as the Deputy Director of Education in the District Education Office of North Sikkim. And I continued there for 3.5 years, and this year, in September 2021, I was promoted as Joint Director of Education and is posted in the District Education Office, North Sikkim itself. I am married to Soli and I have 3 kids. My eldest daughter is Sona Sajan, the second one is Sia Sajan, and the only son, youngest one, is Sabin V. Sajan. My wife is a teacher and she started her career from Sikkim only, and later she joined in Placid Vidya Vihar, Chatipura. When I talk of challenges in my life, I did not face much challenges in life because I do not take anything that much seriously. Instead of the challenge, I focused on my work and responsibility, and I discharged my responsibilities based on the advice of my father not to look what others do or not do and focus on your own duty. That was his advice. I still follow that advice. The successful moments in my life were the unexpected promotions which I got from the department. Usually a teacher can aim up to the post of headmaster or principal only. It was not possible for all the principals and headmasters to become a deputy director or a joint director. And for me, it was the most successful moment to become a deputy director in the year of 2018, and in this year I became the joint director. These were the most successful moments, and I attribute the success to my parents' advice and Almighty.